Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. We are back with another review. So today's Fisarisha Undu into Nase 150 Mnambiti, Undu keep single. First Begutanyo keep single, Kala say Undu now keep single. So I'm not sure if it can Black Diamond in say corner, no, I'm Klabi Bazama, who test my solo carriers, but I think you Undu is singing like he learned dealing more than Lega Tanya. So no focus again, so he's singing Pumili and Maviga to Pumile, Ibiza, Ubuhle Bako. So yo, first time ngizole ngoma because just ngoma nje soft in my melodies. I think ngifela ngathi Undu se ready for i-career yakhe solo. So ivele nje yangenza ngibe excited ngenye indlela nami. So I think umjito ready for i-solo. Maybe mhlawumbe lento ye-Black Diamond ibimnandi like baqophile umlando besanda ambitious like bayenzile ama-gig. I believe ibona abantu abenzile i-ambitious imaleni because bahlala isikhathi eside and bebebhukwa beke bathi kuba hot nje isikhathi eside. I remember there's one award ngawa-attenda ese-Durban eyadini like i-Black Diamond ezo-perform. I think it was beginning of 2020 lapho noma after i-COVID around 2020. Yo, i-Black Diamond yayi-big that time. So I think i-ambitious ayenza imali right, but I think right now amajita are ready for ukushaya ama-careers e-solo and kusemnandi because akhula asazwana. I believe i-record label le umuthi baqale bobabili. I'm not sure if ama-founders akhona but basasebenzisana. So mhlambe ama-careers abo both are different because uDenya ngathi umuntu othanda kakhulu hip-hop. So I think mhlambe ama-careers a-clash mhlambe mase because ngathi bathanda into eziwu-2 ehlule but nje I feel like i-single kaNdu ivele nje yamlaunch iyakhombisa ukuthi umjida use-ready for ukuthi ebe ne-album yakhe because like even nase-radioweni ivele nje yafika ku-radio monitor like idlala almost every day because i-catchy like nje isoli le yakhe. I think umjida nje u-ready laphana even if mhlawumbe kuthiwa akekho under umuthi ama-university ama-record label afana bo-Universal I think mele bethi ukubheka laphana because umjida une-talent uNsombo kakhulu. So isingle yakhe iyo Nsombo kakhulu production ngibona kubhala omunye umjida kuthiwa uMaluk naye now I know Nsombo into yabo amajida lawo. So nje I feel like u-ready uNdu. So nje mina yona opinion yami like I think yona kumjida lo engangimthandile laphana because i-Black Diamond binama-album awu-3 awakhipha laphana. There's one abaqala ngawe befika ambitious ephume ngo-2020 I think it was 2017 lebizwa inqola and then kwaba khona laba ekhipha yena ingoma enkulu no love later lo yona lenza kakhulu but there's I think i-album abayikhiphe ngo-2024 ayilenda ngaleyo ndlela bebesibe lapho but I think uNdume engakhipha like i-solo project efana le ngoma engizwile or else around lapho mhlawumbe ngalenda because I feel like use-ready nje. So ngithe mangizwa leyo ngoma ngathi nje okay I know this guy I think use-ready for ukwenza album yakhe ebe uNdu Brown ehambela yedwa mhlawumbe ngekho umjida wakhe lwana uDanya because na umjida wakhe uphushela into zakhe ufocusela kwi-rap laphana. Ngeke ngambona kwenye show yabantu abarapha laphana i-Twizer show laphana uNsombo na umjida ngoshuni uNsombo like I think into yabo bihlangene kakhulu but Black Diamond 2025 I don't see like mhlawumbe bekhipha isingle mhlawumbe abantu beneza attention but I think uNdume angaqhubeka kanje ephushe yedwa ephusha into yakhe noDenya ephusha into yakhe but bebe nako mhlawumbe bethula ama-gig eBlack Diamond besebenzisana. I think amajida ngabaNsombo. So sekhona ku-Twitter Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Instagram Speaker Nawe, na ku-Facebook Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-TikTok Speaker Nawe.